Yes, welcome guys. We have another new product here. Yeah, this is called a Rattan tea trolley. Yeah, this is the Rattan tea trolley. It's made from pure cane, and what we have here, we've recessed plywood. That's why we've recessed plywood here. Here is where we've recessed our plywoods. So this is a Rattan tea trolley. It's a new product, but what we'll have on top here is the tray. We'll have the tray here. The tray will be recessed here. Yeah, so look at how beautiful this is. And then on this side we did some binding. It's called binding, rattan binding here. Plywood inside. This is 4 inches here. Between there, that is 4 inches. So this is perfect for a dinner setup or in the kitchen. And then you can see we also have rubber. We have a rubber stopper there. It is 1 inch. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is the stand itself. So it's made from furniture pipe, like I said, and binded with cane. Thereafter we have it varnished the way it's supposed to be. So next I'm going to share with you where the tray rests on. Yeah, that's our frame there. I'll share the next how it looks like with the frame on top. Yes guys, so this is the tray where it will be recessed on. This is rattan on rods, so we're applying the first coat of clear varnish. Thereafter we leave it like 4 hours to dry. That is exactly how it looks like. So usually it takes about 4 hours to dry, but the color remains the same. It turns slightly yellow orange. Yeah, so with us you can see we have Clinton. Yeah, this is Clinton. As usual, is the one who does the finishes for us. How many coats are you putting today?
Two.
Oh, 2 coats, yeah?
2 of them.
Yeah, it's now 4 o'clock in Kenya, 4 o'clock in Nairobi, Kenya. So this is the time when we apply these finishes. So this is clear varnish, this one. This is what we use. This is what we'll recess on top of that trolley. I'll show you how it looks like. So we apply on both sides, on top and under as well. Remember was to show you the tray on top of this trolley. This is basically how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And this tray is detachable. It's a detachable piece. This is exactly how it looks like. So I'll give it like 4 hours to dry. This is exactly how it looks like. Yeah, so thank you guys. I kindly urge you to like, share, and subscribe to our content. Like, share, and subscribe to our content. So this is the tea trolley. It's fully done. Truly appreciate.